Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to clear cache on iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open Settings and click on General. And under General, you'll want to click on iPhone Storage. And then now you just want to scroll down until you see the app that you want to clear the cache. So I'm just gonna choose Health, okay? Or just gonna choose WhatsApp. Okay, so once you've clicked the app, I want you to click on Offload App. Okay, so by clicking Offload App, it will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available in the App Store. So just go ahead and click on Offload App and click on it again. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.